Although this may look like just a plain brown Home Depot box, this will probably be the most special unboxing to me personally I will ever do. This is on my favorite prop of all time. All of them. My favorite by far. This is Spirit Halloween 2014 with Barnyard Butcher with my new Ray son. For 7 years I've been trying to get him. So many failed attempts. I got scammed out of $300 one time. And finally, someone I met on Facebook said they'd sell me theirs. I paid a lot more than I wanted to, and he does need some repairs, but I'm just so happy to finally have him. My favorite prop of all time. I've wanted him for so long, so this is definitely a dream come true for me. So, without any more bantering, we will go ahead and open the box. UPS did damage a little bit, but I'm hoping everything is okay anyway. We'll see. So, tape. Looks like UPS retaped it too. I don't know, I'm not crazy about UPS. They've been kind of screwing up my packages lately. Prefer FedEx, but it's alright. As long as he didn't get, like, damage gun repair, it's going to be okay. So, tape right here doesn't want to go. Let's see. There we go, okay. This tape up here. Okay, oh wow, okay. That, I saw the severed head and I got really excited. This is so surreal. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is awesome. Oh wow. Oh, it's so cool. I'm sorry, it's just taking me a while. This is so incredible. I've waited so long for this. Here is the butcher's head. Looks incredible. The mouth needs fixed, and the LED's out of place, but I can fix that really easily. Wow. It's incredible. There is some tears in the burlap. I don't know why, but that shouldn't be a huge problem. I can probably fix that. And if you didn't know, the head underneath is actually the head mold to Seasonal Vision Zombie Clown. So that's just a little bit of trivia, but yeah. So, oh, it's incredible. Really awesome. Here's the severed head. A little smaller than I was expecting, but still, once again, incredible. A little faded, not terrible, not a big, huge deal. The mouth works fine on the severed head, but yeah, that looks awesome. The detail on the bottom is amazing too, look at that. Still has the sticker on the hand, have to take that off, but yeah, that looks awesome. Here's the overalls. These are in pretty good shape, it looks like. Let's see. Boots. Here's one of them. Or C. This one's also C. Same boots as Evil Scientist, I'm pretty sure, just with added blood. Here's one of the arms. The foam is deteriorating. I'm pretty sure it got left outside at some point, and that's why some parts are faded and stuff, but not a huge deal breaker. Here is the arm with the wires for the severed head. It needs new foam. Not a big deal. The shirt is pretty badly faded. It'll need some work, but yeah. Here's the knife hand. That looks awesome. Lots of blood on this one. Most don't have that much blood. Here is the leg poles. 1, 2. There's 2 of them. Others are still stuck down in the bottom. Let's see here. Get the main frame out next, maybe. Here's the torso frame with the mechanism. Yeah, that's going to need some work. See, the shirt, it's definitely faded. Probably going to have to replace the shirt, unfortunately, but yeah. mechanism needs cleaned up because, like I said, I'm pretty sure at some point it was left outside. But I can restore him. It's not a huge deal. So, yeah. Here is hip loop. Shoulder frame in the base. And the two last leg pulls. So, without further ado, let's get him set up.
Instead of a chainsaw.